Hovenweep Visitor Center. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free and an easy way to support me on my big adventure. I'm headed on a 2-mile loop that goes over the entire canyon, so I'll be able to see all of the buildings that are here. It's just amazing to me to think about the number of people who lived here, the generations that grew up in this area, the people who traveled through. This one is called the Twin Towers. This is one of the places that I learned about in history class, I believe in junior high. I am now here. I mean, we all find it amazing to see stuff that was built long before we were here. And we'll be around long after we're gone. interesting time to be here. So this would have been an ancient city, and all that I know is that the Spanish came here, made connections with the natives, and then left. When the Spanish came back, the people living in the area were all nomadic. This city was not inhabited. So it makes you wonder if our cities will ever be abandoned. You know, if this was the New York City of it today, or the Denver or the LA, and then suddenly everybody moves out into the country. Our last stop of the day, Sand Canyon, and this is Castle Rock. I certainly didn't know very much about Canyon of the Ancients before I got started today. I hope you enjoyed exploring it with me. This is the end of day 3 of the Colorado road trip. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already, because tomorrow I'm headed to Mesa Verde, and we have Sand Dunes National Park coming up later this week. So I thought all of today's adventures would be in Colorado. According to Google, I just crossed the state line. So, welcome to Utah. We're still going. Apparently it's only 5 more miles, so I wasn't too far off, but did not expect this excursion.